How to redeem Xbox Game Pass digital code from Amazon. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Amazon on your Google. Then log into your account and click on Returns and Order, which is on top right. Here you will find your redeem code option or Xbox order options. Simply click on details of your order, then you'll find redeem code. After clicking on redeem code, a page will appear. Once you're on the redeem page, enter the code exactly as it appears, which should be in your Amazon order email or digital content section. After entering the code, click next to confirm the details and then select redeem. Your Xbox Game Pass subscription will be activated immediately. And that's how you redeem Xbox Game Pass digital code from Amazon. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.